Are you looking to turn off FaceTime notifications on your iPhone? Disabling these notifications can help reduce distractions during important moments or when you need some quiet time. This guide will walk you through the steps to easily turn off FaceTime notifications. Let's get started. Solution 1. Disable FaceTime notifications. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down and tap FaceTime. Tap Notifications. Toggle off Allow Notifications to stop all FaceTime notifications. You also do quite a few things. If you turn on the notification setting, choose your preferred alert style, banners, alerts, or none, based on your preference. Solution 2. Do not disturb use. If you want to temporarily make silence notifications, tap on Focus or Do Not Disturb. Turn on Do Not Disturb to silence all notifications, including FaceTime. By following these steps, you can easily turn off FaceTime notifications on your iPhone and enjoy quieter experience. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.